Welcome back to our tutorial series. Previously, we've introduced how to craft topography and landscape. In this video, we are going to talk about sky and weather settings. D5 Render offers multiple intuitive tools that help you effortlessly create lifelike environments and preview your architectural designs under various weather conditions. D5 Studio is a cloud workspace where you can save the environment, effect, brush path, and scatter settings after adjusting them as you like. We also prepare a dozen ready-to-go presets in the D5 Curated section. Double-click to download and apply your desired preset. The scene instantly comes to life. D5 has a built-in AI feature to automatically generate sky, weather, and post-production effects from reference images. Simply choose a reference image to integrate its environmental settings into your current view. Both AI-generated or preset environment settings can be adjusted to improve outcomes. At present, the scene appears flat and lacks brightness. To create a contrast between warm and cold colors, apply a warm temperature to the sunlight and the HDRI skylight. Rotate the HDRI for a beautiful reflection on the water. Adjust the intensity of the HDRI background and skylight to prevent the scene from looking overexposed or too dark. Adjust the sun altitude and azimuth to review the interplay between light and shadows. You can also select Geo and Sky to simulate local lighting conditions. Simply input the date and location as needed, and adjust the time to observe the lighting conditions throughout the day. Turn on the cloud feature and there'll be appealing reflections on the water surface. You can watch this video for detailed instructions on setting natural lighting. D5 also provides professional post-production effects, including exposure, contrast, highlight, shadows, slope, among others. After setting up the environment, you can enhance the scene by adding decorations such as vehicles and a power transmission network. Decals of traffic trails and lawn patches can further improve the realism. We have integrated an AI post-production tool into D5 that allows you to transform a rendered image into various styles with just one click. Remember to enable the AI post channel when rendering images. By selecting the night style and setting an appropriate weight, you can click the transfer button to preview how the structure looks at nighttime without the need to adjust materials or lighting sources. That completes our tutorial for environmental settings. In the next episode, we'll demonstrate how to create stunning animations using D5 Render. Thanks for watching.